I completed my degree in Bachelor of Science in Biotechnology in Bharat University. Then I switched my career to non-IT to IT. Okay, then I joined QSpiders to learn Java full stack testing. Here I first class I participated in Java, core Java, handled by my sir, and then SQL Sangat sir handled, and then we done with the presentation is nicely, and then it is helpful to increase my communication skills, and then stage fear also I overcome here that only. Then after I joined in manual testing classes handled by Chandrasekhar sir. He was motivated when I attended the interview, and then he was clarifying more doubts, and then he personally motivated myself every time. And then A/B testing handled by the Sutti ma'am with the real-time examples, and then how methodology they are implemented. Then presentation is daily, which is helpful to avoid stage fear and all. Then Chandan sir handled Selenium automation. We are learning the automation, real-time web publications, and then how to derive the elements and all. We are received knowledge from him only. He was a best trainer. And then